medie, yet they have the opportunity today ya gwika uria magiro ni gwika na gwetha nigetha nao ri magagitiga ciao citigirwo itondu we ni watigirwo cia baba wanyu ri we ugatiga ki cia guka you know ni kuga atiriri there is a generation iha gatagati yarega gwika uria kwagiriire yes
nio na gwendaga tuke na ni wande nionirio
tondu wa riri you see nonsense ni njuga atiriri you know ungirora I have a friend baba wao akite nyumba akuaga ihiga na baithikiri akua ihiga rimwe akiumira agakua ihiga ndenda wone dedication ya mundu kua ihiga agathi kware akagororia mahiga na ndangihota gukua no ndana heana excuse auga ni baithikiri ria o muthenya inuka na ihiga today there is a house irugamitio ni mahiga maria makuirwo na baithikiri does it todo ni akari ni kuri handu ironania ati mahiga marehetwo na baithikiri
o muthenya rimwe
you know yes o muthenya ndenda wone dedication ya mundu ucio you see all of us no tukinye destination iria tuthiaga mauga ati ikinya rimwe ni rio riambagia thabari
niguo
today there are people today matari na matura na excuse and ndiwecira ni kuri kindu kinene kiuragite andu aingi gukira hau ni ndinahota gwikona tondu ndathomaga story ka mundu wathia graduation yake na ona ti Kenya ni bururi wa America riu aumite tene muno tondu ndari nginya mbeca cia kuhaica bathie ngapki but mundu ria wamukinyirire farari ngari kwauraga akimukua akimuria where are you going ndathie thukuru tu na graduation umuthe and wathi maguru ukoretwo githu aduonaga thukuru ri ndahea ni thukuru tondu tene rina gutuma wike atia ukamenya atiri nie tondu no mwaka thi wira ndingihana excuse ngukira tene tondu yathi maguru ni arikinya you see problem iria twi nayo ni kuga ati ndugu save tondu ni becha ni nini
Onatigo ndroni ngimekira ni inflation ati ndra save mothe na tondu becha ni generalizing ngo guciarira ati next year inflation ni gukorwo igoro muno kugwo na iria gukorwo honoketie itira make sense
no sinzi go example na thaici kuraura ndakwira atiriri kwi mabururi mamenyete mai macio mathiaga iria ego na ithu tutiakorwo twina riua rinene muno na ithu tiragirwo ni gukorwo riu tukimenyete ati irio cia Kenya stira sustainwo ni mbura ikorwo ni turenjete so many water pans cingihota at least go sustain tumai tu wahitha niguo because as a country as a people tureka undu umwe turarekereria resources hitu cigathie ciathie ri tugacoka tugatura tu complainaga o toria taru ngithura mutongoria muru uga complain for 5 years umenye tugo complain wacoka thutha miaka igana
5
and on other ici uthia wakora mundu utekire undu ndakwira generation iyo ya andu aria matekire maundu matura manegenaga gutire bia not kuga mundu cio ndari ona mbeca hindi ri ona bia ri ekaga atia si ona ngai oragia mundu niki unyitite
na
guoko because kindu ki moko-ini ma mundu cio ngigitinge guteithia kiweni unyitite we nikio kingiteithia na gicenjie muturire wao waku yes
na gwenda twari horo wa kindu gigitwo imeciria kana mindset hakinya ni mionere ya mbeca kana ginya miandadu kire ya muturire tondu kuigwa reisi no wiwa themaga ni koru na ni koru ni mandi kuritu tondu thogora muturire ni tutirageria go sanitize no turi hori kuri na mundu gukorwo aikare thi handu one reciria na a bit all the odds amenye uria gwika na oho athereme tondu he biacara ikwagirira ihinda-ini riri hihi thina witu kaingi ni uria hihi tukoretwo ni mentality kana meciria is it beyond beca capital kana mionere ya beca?
It is beyond money. It is beyond money. The hair example na atiriri wira uria ndutaga ri ndiari na capital na ni ndakorwo ni mundu twambiririe nake wira acoka mundu ucio adiga ni urona nduma muthenya ni urona kwakanite riua ukona nduma. Yes, you know, the same person wa digari niwe watumire ngatuika ajirira atiriri ngaruya ni nona ningi kundi na kiria wina kio ndigikandikwo ni mundu arute uri atiriri what die daigua. So I call somebody ngimura atiriri niki wona hari ni akijira we ni ndenda uke. You know, sometimes it is all in the mentality. Todo nonsinzi omuthi. Do you know how many ideas you lock out todo? No ekira kiugo impossible.
Eyo na ndingihotekeka.
One, you know, Ngai atubite tatukai tunini ithue. Ithue turi obi ona ithue turi obi. Na irrespective yoguo kuhuana. Irrespective yoguo kuhuana ri. I'm thinking it is also the best time ya gwika maundu maria we wiciragia ndungihota gwika. No since muthenya umwe I opened an office twina mundu. Tutire wira no ndiramwira atiri na tukwendia.
Ni muhingura office.
For 3 good months guti undu tureka. We never gave up. Muthenya umwe ucio akihurira thimu akijira uka tugitengera handu. I sat down na mundu with the corner.
Kwadi we proper.
Na actually I was expressing myself.
Anyway.
Na ngemwero I did not have money. Do you know tukiuma hau? That man told us Mogoda without a penny. Without a penny. I'm giving you riu kiria tugaga ithue excuse yate ndingiambiriria wira tondu ndie na capital. Down with that man. Tukimwira na ni urwakinya handu karigwo kana ni arakuigua, you know, aguthikiriirie no ndramenya atiri am I getting to him nende amukinyira
niguo turaiguana.
Yes, let me tell you, to make that story very short, muthuri ucio etikira the following day gugiuka mundu ari na cash ciothe
agikunengera
aca oka kugura mugunda uria turagurire ira. Muthuri ucio akimwira no
aca wewe nene
ndirendire mugunda ucio ira, but imagine ndarihitwo na ciringi. What would have happened is now niguo maisha mahuana. That man walkire the following day, no agiokire even the following day. And ni urona kaundu karia wiguaga ati matuini andu makonagio ungiatwikire, and you pass through life a poor man wirite ndungiona kindu tondu. Let me tell you nonsense. Today I look at that story ngona ni opportunity cigana tuteaga tondu twehereria.
Na niwe wehereria
niwe because yes nie heana nie ginya nie mwenyewe. If I challenge myself, I still ask myself, ndirauga ndikuhota tondu hindi yo ndahotire tondu ndari na mbia. What excuse can I give myself ati ndaregire gwika undu fulani tondu ndari na mbia? Wambiririe na mbeca? You didn't have. And ungithikiria ga story kau uthio ukaigua mundu ungi agikira ona ni ndekire kaundu kahuanine na kariko
na kaka,
because mona a mentality yaku we Ngai ahuthagira meciria ma mundu. Hindi ria ungithoma story ya John the Baptist ri John the Baptist augaga atiriri
niguo
uthamaki wa Ngai ti ugoka wiku. The whole thing about the gospel of John the Baptist was repent andu meciragia ni kuhera. No, augaga change your mind. cenjia meciria maku, cenjia. You know, the kingdom that you are talking about is here. Change your thinking. I know of a person urangorete muthenya ungi nonsense. Aranjira brotire ndagurire ni undu waku. We sat down. Ni ndendaga mbeca icio ari nacio na ndendaga atunengere tondu he maundu
kadhaa
nake ni arĩrĩga kwĩĩtĩkia
no ahote
tondu eciragia no ikire maundu tondu ena mbe. So I told him you can. Agĩĩtĩkia. You know, the man came to me aranjĩra I never ona ndiũĩ tondu ona ndiũĩ ni atĩa ndamwĩrire ndariganĩirwo. Akĩnjĩra atĩrĩrĩ niĩ thia hau umuthi ni agicenjirie tondu wa haria kindu kiu ni giathirire no riu anjira ni at that time aturehagira 5,000 3,000 and this is everything. Yes, brought you turari horo ayo is worth now a lot of money today. Anjira, do you know I would not have bought this tiganiwe tondu you made me believe I can be able to do this. Can I tell you something? Mentality is everything about you. Mauga atiriri, what you think is what you say. Na kiu ugaga nikio ubaga. So nigetha mundu agatuika ni ambiriria guthi makinya-ini maria magirire ri, they also have to change the way they are thinking. Unless ucenjie mwiciriria waku wa maundu, wambie gwiciria nie no hote nie ndigitonga tiga gwiciria, you know, Ngai ri tonabundithio maundu maingi muno, but what I learned about God niguo Ngai iganagira haria wa muiga.
Okay,
Ngai in as much as uria aiganaga uria we wa mutua. You get? Ungitikia ndungihota Ngai agutigwo haha aikarite haha ugu twi nake akwira ndothie ai haria ndingikira ndungikira tondu uguo ndungikate. You have to change the way you are thinking. Tungigerega gucenjia even as a country today.
Ta bururi?
Yes, we need to change our thinking. We need to. Tondu the mentality of today ni ati tuli athini.
Ta bururi?
Ta bururi.
Akirire ubora turaina tha ici.
Ni karumbo karigienda andu maine ni mambie kuona hega story nyendete muno. In fact, ungikora Biblia ria ya office yako ungimikora muthi God kandikite Greenland hau iguru gaka ni ga scripture gaitu. Do you know why? Ka story kariri mundu okirie rucini ari gutwika ni ngombo ya Elisha okirari agithie agikora maria thiururukirie ni thu augire ati last master, what shall we do? Tuwikate. Elisha amuhoire Ngai muhingure maitho one, because in the same situation Ngai amuhingura maitho o uyu utakuonaga thu ici cimuthiururukiirie augire ndirona kwina mbarathi cia mwaki ndirona kwina, you know, the minute onire uguo ri ita riria ritonekaga riari more superior gukira riri
haha.
Koguo indi ndiciragia atiriri in maundu maria mothe matuthiururukiirie kiria gitaronekana, the opportunity that surround us ni nyingi gukira wagi uria we ututhiururuki tondu twokera rucini twakora andu tiarihe mishara. That is not all that there is in this picture.
Hena mieke ingi,
hena hope oku tutarona na ndecia Ngai aranithia tuhingure maitho twambie kuona ki the unseen. Tondu riri, you see, Ngai ugaga ni kugie ombaga kiu ukaruta ugekira gigatuika. Koguo ri, we also need to change in terms of uria turona. Nonsense ni oi kihinda kiria kirari ya corona. I'll give you a story. Hede ya corona a man came to my office. Ndugata nyendete muno etagwo Joshua. Akijira atiriri, Garuya. Wina broti cia 250 na beci na ndume na mbeca icio. That man brought me to advertisement. Akijira ngiambia kuona kindu itonaga. No ni uririkana ni kwari kuhinge. Nui andu mari na mbeca icio twamakiragiria kundu uguo.
Masirehe.
Mathi makone mugunda nigetha moke magure. In the same time turaririria ati gutire mbia. Mundu akanjira ici
cieho
we urakua na ngaragu na urauga ati gutire mbia wewe.
Acha nikuonyeshe. So wanaga na kafio.
It is in the thinking. Wona wehingiriria. That is my message kuri mundu ucio ratwirorera. Wona we wehingiriria ndugeciria andu othe magerera. Ngai nĩ Ngai na ndakwĩra Ngai iganagĩra harĩa ũhuana. Kwĩ mũndũ ũrakua nĩ ng'aragu nĩ ũmonaga, mũndũ arakua na ng'ombe nayo nĩ gũkua ĩrakua. I mean, are you seeing this picture? Is it the same? We no ukue urauga gũtirĩ na irio na ng'ombe ĩyo ĩ hau haku nja ĩrakua nĩ ng'aragu. Kota ngĩgĩthĩnja ng'ombe ĩno wambe ũrĩ. You know?
Niguo. Yes. Haya tukamba wikirio hanini mureri wa Kameme TV tugathi na mbere uko tukiria cigie Wuigithia Na Wonjoria na muno makiria mionere ya maundu hakinya ni biashara tondu tugo twakiuga meciria maku ni mari mabata muno makiria kaingire twiciragia ati hihi ni besha no waikara thi weciria aca hihi ni idea iria wena cio na maundu maria uri ukorwo ugika ndukehe mihaka tukamba wikiria na tugicokeria no gugicokeria na 300 ndikinengerie muhotani witu uri ukigeretie munyaka wake kugo wageria munyaka waku uri ingi no kuhote gukorwo ukiongerera mekeo ya gukorwo gikihotanira no kuhinda riri tukiambe tugikuda tumae tucokere thwa kaida gatakire kuraihu ndukae guthii haraya.
Orerorera Kameme TV.
Learning management system, an education management tool that fits in with the country's education system and allows schools and parents to monitor students' progress effectively. From tracking and reporting to providing resources and effective learning tools, teachers and parents alike will be in the loop of each child's progress. With Mwalimu Plus, schools will not need to invest heavily in infrastructure. That's because the system offers the necessary tools, tablets and the software at a great cost to enable schools get off successfully. Things are changing and the Mwalimu Plus learning management system is at the forefront of this change.
And the winner of the 32nd edition, representing also the EMC, Weldon Langat.
Every time you play Lotto, 25% goes to the Lotto Foundation, which supports our fellow Kenyans through various causes. Thank you for your help. Together, we are changing lives.